What is up, guys? Here's the Jigs again. Today we are playing more Infected. So let the match begin, guys. It will begin in.
Stay alive by any means necessary.
Staying alive, staying alive. What? Fucking jump over. You're like, one of them is gonna become infected and they're gonna get everybody. Told ya! Oh, but if you go first. This is actually one of the worst places to be. You know, you could be fucking attacked from any goddamn side. But what is life? Not living to the YOLO. Nothing? So let's see. Bitch. Nope.
Objective almost complete. Keep fighting.
Here we go. Here we go.
Time's almost up.
Shit. We got one. I am a fucking squad bomb, bitch. Fuck Toby. Fucking gonna do, Toby. Toby, don't you fucking abandon me, fucking. Shut the fuck up, Toby. Fucking hate you, Toby. Come back. I'm literally gonna move like this. Shit. No, Toby's full of crap, you know? Huh. Look who's coming back. Guess what, Alex? Fuck you. I got things. I got shit. Yo, I got shit. This is not me, you got this, eh? Oh, you gotta get. Fuck off, Toby. You for reals here? You for reals, Toby? You can't fucking kill me, man. I'm fucking mad, man. Oh! Wait, what? You got infected? Somebody got infected? Oh, another guy got infected. And I was, they got infected. They know what I am, man. Miss Toby. Is that any? Oh, they killed Toby. Fuck off, Toby. Shit. Okay. People ain't getting infected really fucking quickly. I'm not even gonna move. You for reals here. Fuck off. I said fuck off. Really? What? You can do that? Yeah, I see it. Here's the last one. Over here, man. Yeah, there we go. Game ends.
Mission accomplished. A good day's work.
So it's a pretty good match. I will not lie. I got, how many kills did I get? 3 kills. But it's pretty good, except for Toby. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.